Hi everyone, welcome to my channel moviesnips. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between the genetically engineered human Na'vi hybrid bodies inhabited by the humans on Pandora and the actual Na'vi species. Before I get further into this, please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Select human candidates from the RDA-funded avatar program known as drivers can psionically connect with their avatar bodies, which use their human DNA as part of the genetic templates and greatly resemble the driver's own facial features. The avatars are used to explore Pandora without the need for exopacks to breathe air that would otherwise be poisonous to humans and to more easily interact with the Na'vi natives. In essence, they can freely move around and interact with the world that would otherwise be poisonous and highly dangerous to them. Regular human beings who lack these avatar bodies are highly discouraged from leaving the RDA compound, as they would face a myriad of dangers that lurk in the wilderness of Pandora. I won't get into too much detail of how the process of transferring a human being's consciousness into an avatar body works, since that'll be a topic for a separate video. I will try to clear up the common misconception that an avatar body is identical or nearly identical to a regular Na'vi individual. Clearly, the avatar brain and nervous system are designed to precisely match those of its human operator, while still maintaining appropriate Na'vi cellular biology. The avatar also possesses the required nervous system pathways required for the control interface. The most notable difference is that avatars have 5 digits on each hand and foot, much like humans, as opposed to the Na'vi who have 4 digits on each limb. Avatars also have eyebrows, while the Na'vi are hairless apart from their scalp and a small tuft of hair on the tips of their tails. The third difference is that avatars display somewhat more of a human-like body musculature and general physical form than the Na'vi. This is especially apparent when comparing the build of Jake Sully to that of the male Na'vi of the Omaticaya clan. Jake's body structure is sturdier than those of the more willowy Na'vi. Perhaps avatars are not as flexible as the Na'vi in this regard. The Na'vi have large lemur-like eyes, while an avatar's eyes are usually smaller, more narrow-set, and more human-like. Also, a Na'vi's nose is flatter and more cat-like, while an avatar's nose is more human-like with a central ridge, in some cases quite pronounced. The sixth difference between the two species is that the neural queue of an avatar starts at the base of the skull, whereas a Na'vi's queue starts at the top of the skull. The reason for this difference still hasn't been explained. Perhaps this may have something to do with the differences in the brain structures of the two species. The seventh and final difference between the two species is that the Na'vi possess opposable big toes, while the avatars do not. For this reason, the Na'vi are naturally better at climbing trees, since they can make full use of all 4 limbs. One aspect from the first Avatar movie that I found interesting was how the Na'vi were very quick to spot the avatars even from a distance. It didn't take Neytiri more than a few seconds to spot Jake Sully in the wilderness and identify him as a counterfeit Na'vi. It is a known fact that the avatars can reproduce with the Na'vi. However, it is unconfirmed as to whether avatars suffer from fertility issues common of other hybrids such as mules and ligers. Whether the children of Avatar/Na'vi couples possess human DNA influences like their Avatar parent is another question that remains to be answered. Perhaps we'll get more on this in the upcoming Avatar sequel. I'd like to thank you for watching my video today. If you feel I missed anything or would like to add anything to this discussion, please feel free to comment down below. Please also remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please check out my channel for more Avatar videos.